We'll guide you through how to change your Discord password if you forgot it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. It's important to note you can follow this guide whether you're currently logged in or if you're not. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead so you don't miss anything important. So perhaps you're currently logged in and you want to go and change your password. You come to the bottom left and press user settings, over to the left in account and you press password and security and you press edit to the right of password. You can see here it's asking for the current password to then go and update and change it. Come over to the left and we're going to scroll down and go and press log out and go and press log out like this. So now we're in the same situation, whether you were currently logged in or not. What you need to do is come down just below the login and it says forgot your password and you can tap there. What you need to do is go and enter in your email or phone number. I'm going to enter in my email like so, then press forgot your password. What's going to happen is you've now been sent an email. You receive an email like this here. You can go and press the login button, but what we want to do is go and reset the password. So click that there. And then what you can do is go and enter in your new password and confirm it by pressing change. That's it.